Hi, I'm Sarah from SewingMastery.com, and I just finished filming over 25 free YouTube videos on the Singer Simple 3337, and I wanted to put it to the test of making a mask. I adapted this mask pattern from a doctor friend's personal mask. I started with a 7-inch by 20-inch piece of fabric and half of a pipe cleaner. Next, fold the pipe cleaner edges in just so they're not sharp. Find the center of the fabric and place the pipe cleaner in. That's going to be the little metal piece for the nose bridge. The fabric is wrong sides together, and I used a zipper foot to stitch it in place. Next, put your regular foot back on, turn the fabric right sides together, and connect the ends of the rectangle fabric. Turn the fabric back, right sides out, and press it flat. Fan fold the mask 3 times into a balanced size. Stitch the ends together so they'll stay connected before the ties are stitched on. I used a bias tape maker and made my own straps. Press the ties flat again. Stitch about 15 inches and then insert the side of the mask, and finish with another 15 inches of tie. Repeat for the other side. The yellow one was the original mask. The blue one is made from the double-wrapped non-woven instrument wrap paper that is used for steam sanitation. Feel free to use this pattern and share this video.